Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In front of me, Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s device, and now I'm gonna show you how to install Family Link, how to set up parental control on your child's phone. First, you need to log out of all Google accounts on the child's device, and then you need to log in to the child's account. But remember, if the child knows the password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link, and therefore either you need to create an account for the child with a password that only you will know, or ask the child to change the password to one that he will not know, but you will know. After that, open Settings, scroll down and choose Google. Scroll down again, choose Parental Controls, Get Started, Child, Teenager, and choose Next. Wait a while. Select child's account. Then you need to log in into your Google account, into parent's Google account. Then enter password. Tap Next. Scroll down, confirm child's password. And click Agree. Tap Allow supervision. Click Next. Scroll down and click Next last time. Scroll down, choose Next, skip, and go back to home screen. So cool. Now you need to set up the Family Link on your device, on parent's device. To do this, open Play Store and install Google Family Link application. Open this app. Go down and click Get Started. Select your parent's account, which connect to your child's phone, and here you will see all connected accounts to Google Family Link. And here it's HDUDB account. This is this phone. Select it and cool. Here we see that we have fully control of the child's phone. We can block his phone if he uses it for a very long time, and we can also block separate applications. To do this, choose View All Apps, and for example, I want to block weather application. To do this, find here weather application. It's here. Tap on sandwich icon and choose block. Wait a while, and as you can see, weather application was successfully blocked. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.